Mày đi vô mau rồi.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah. We can listening.
What's that? What's that, Bit-A?
I can listening.
You can't listen to me.
Con trả cho cô. Mày con có tiếng.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Good evening, everybody.
Yes, good evening, teacher. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you guys?
Yes, I'm fine, thanks.
Oh, may I ask you something? What is the holiday yesterday in Vietnam?
In Vietnam, don't have.
They do have. You do have. Because I saw some of my Vietnamese friends, they are celebrating something. That's why I thought it's
children Tet.
Children Tet.
Yes.
Children's Tet. Okay.
Để thêm nào có cái tiền tiếng Anh là gì cả. Mày lên Google dịch đối mày gì các cái gì đó.
So it's Children's Tet yesterday.
In Vietnam, the code is Trung Thu.
How do you say that? Trung Tu?
Yes.
Trung Tu. Okay, because all of my Vietnamese friends, I saw them having a celebration. So I thought it's that holiday, but it's Trung Tu.
Yes.
Okay, so how about you, Viet-Anh? Did you celebrate it?
I think it's not interesting because I grow up.
Because you're grown up already.
Yes.
Yes, and I saw some children
but my baby is very interesting.
Oh, did she join the party?
Yes.
Where?
It have balloon.
Balloon.
Yes.
So it's like Children's Day.
It have what does?
Chung Tu.
Yes, wait for me. That is Uncle Pebble. Uncle Pebble.
Uncle Pebble.
Yes, and Sister Constant.
What's that again?
Sister Content.
Contest.
Yes.
Okay, so it has a contest. That's why I saw some kids, they are singing, they are dancing. Because it's a contest.
Yes.
Okay, so that's nice. Okay, so let's begin our class now, Viet-Anh.
Yes.
All right. So the first activity will be about instruction. Okay, so instruction. Can you read? Oh, okay. Can you read number 1 up to number 6? Get in.
Dishwasher, instruction, shove, machine, iron, sauce, aubergine.
Okay, very good. So now these are.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You must write the vocabulary.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, wait. I cannot. Oh, here. Tell me when you're finished writing.
Yeah.
Finish?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, so these are some grammar. Okay, so first one, we use the word after for after plus past perfect simple past. Example, after we had finished our test, we handed in for teacher. Next one, after plus simple past plus simple present is after they quarreled many times, they decided to divorce. Next one, after plus simple past is after we discussed in an hour, we soluted our problem. And last one, after plus simple present or present perfect or simple future is after she have booked the airline ticket, she go to Thailand. All right. Are you going to copy the grammar?
Wait for me.
Or maybe you can just take a photo because it's very long.
Yes.
Finished?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go to the next one. Now this is before, okay? Before plus simple past perfect is before we went to Mike's house, we had contacted to him. Next one, before plus simple present simple future or simple present is before we have a holiday, we will decide destination. Okay, let's
I
go to
must
the.
take a photo.
Okay. It's okay now?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go to the first one. Activity number 1. You will hear you will hear a recipe for chicken cooked with aubergine, garlic, sauce, and herbs. Listen to the instructions and number 8 of the sentences from 1 to 8. Okay, now Viet Anh, you're going to put numbers 1 to 8, okay?
Yes.
Alright, so now I will play the audio file and you have to listen to it. Alright, let's begin.
Activity 3. You will hear a recipe for chicken cooked with aubergine, garlic, sauce and herbs. Listen to the instructions and number 8 of the sentences from 1 to 8.
It's quite simple, really. First, cut up the garlic into very small pieces. Next, cut up the chicken into very thin slices. After that, cut up the aubergine, also into thin slices. Now, fry the garlic until it turns light brown. Then, add the chicken and the aubergine to the frying pan and stir it in. Then add the sauce and the herbs. Lastly, add 2 cups of water. Now leave it to cook for 10 minutes.
Okay.
Finished?
Yes.
Okay, now let us check the answers. Okay, don't erase. Oh, where is it? Okay, wait. Ah, okay, so this is the answer. So this is 1, correct? Cut up the garlic. Next one, number 2, cut up the chicken. Number 3, cut up the aubergine. You know what is an aubergine? You know what is aubergine? That is eggplant. Okay, Viet Anh? Aubergine. Aubergine is eggplant. Okay, number 4, fry the garlic. Number 5, fry the chicken and aubergine. Number 6, oh, where's number 6? I cannot see it. You don't have number 6 answer, Viet Anh?
Yes.
Worse. And then number 7. Okay, number 8 is correct. Cook it for 10 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you got 6 points in this activity. Very good. All right, so now Viet Anh. All right, now, can you read the recipe? Read the recipe, please.
Quite simple, really. First, cut up the garlic into very small pieces. Next, cut up the chicken into very thin slices. After that, cut up the aubergine also into thin slices. Now, fry the garlic until it turns light brown. Then add the chicken and the aubergine to frying pan and sear it in. Then add the sauce and the herb. Lastly, add 2 cup water. Now leave in to cook for 10 minutes.
All right, now cook it for 10 minutes. Okay, so okay, wait, let's have activity number, oh, this is 3. Okay, wait. Now, activity number 2, Viet-Ain. Listen to a sales assistant telling someone how to clean and look after different things. Take the advice that the sales assistant gives. Okay, now Viet-Ain, I'm going to play an audio file. And then, you must put a tick on the correct answer, okay?
Yes.
Let's proceed.
Activity 5. Listen to a sales assistant telling someone how to clean and look after different things. Tick the advice the sales assistant gives. 1.
You should wash these by hand. It's better not to wash them in the washing machine.
2.
These should be washed in the washing machine to get them really clean.
3.
Don't use hot water to wash these. Use warm water only.
4.
It's best to wash these by hand in warm water. Don't dry clean them or they may lose their colour.
5.
You can't use this cloth. Just hang it up to dry.
6.
You can use a fine oil to clean this table. Don't use soap and water on it at any time.
7.
Just put these in the washing machine when they're dirty.
8.
The dishwasher won't clean these very well, so you'll have to wash them by hand.
Okay, now finish. So let us check the answers, Viet-Ain. All right, so number 1. Answer is hand wash only. Number 2, machine wash only. Number 3, wash in warm water. Number 4, dry clean only. Number 5, do not iron. Number 6, clean with oil. 7, wash in washing machine. And number 8 is wash by hand is correct. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you have 6 points and 2 mistakes. Okay, next one, let's go to activity 3. Mrs. Potter is asking her children to do things. She wants them to do some things now and some things later. Tick what she wants them to do first. Okay, Viet-Ain, now you're going to click the correct answer. Okay, let's begin.
Activity 7. Mrs. Potter is asking her children to do things. She wants them to do some things now and some things later. Tick what she wants them to do first. 1.
You can make the beds after you finish ironing the clothes.
2.
Let's wash the dishes, and then we can tidy the living room.
3.
I don't think the plants need watering right away, but the cooker really does need cleaning.
4.
Before you cut up the vegetables, could you cut up the meat?
5.
Clean the windows before you do the dishes.
Okay, one more time.
Number 6 and number 7 don't have.
Okay,
Activity 7.
let's check one more time.
Mrs. Potter is asking her children to do things. She wants them to do some things now and some things later. Tick what she wants them to do first. 1.
You can make the beds after you finish ironing the clothes.
2.
Let's wash the dishes and then we can tidy the living room.
3.
I don't think the plants need watering right away, but the cooker really does need cleaning.
4.
Before you cut up the vegetables, could you cut up the meat?
5.
Clean the windows before you do the dishes.
Oh, it's up to number 5 only. Okay, so let's check the answers here. Number 1. Okay, can you read the answers, Viete? Correct answers.
Number 1 is iron the coal. Number 2 is wash the dishes. Number 3 is clean the cooker. Number 4 is cut up the meat. Number 5 is clean the window.
Okay, so you got only 2 points. All right, next one.
Yes.
So this is the transcript of the audio file, okay? Now teacher will read it. Number 1, you should wash these by hand. It's better not to wash them in the washing machine. Number 2, these should be washed in the washing machine to get them really clean. Number 3, don't use hot water to wash this. Use warm water only. 4, it's best to wash this by hand in warm water. Don't dry clean them or they may lose their color. 5, you can iron this cloth. Just hang it up to dry. Number 6, you can use a fine oil to clean this table. Don't use soap and water on it at any time. Number 7, just put this in the washing machine when they're dirty. 8, the dishwasher won't clean this very well, so you'll have to wash them by hand. Okay. So now, Vieteng, we're finished with the first one, okay? So wait for me because I will open one more.
Mẹ không thật ngồi này. Chúa. Mở cái mũi.
Okay, now Vieteng, let's continue. Okay, unit. Oh, wait, I cannot see it. It's unit 12, house. Okay, so question number 1, Vieteng. Do you live in a house or an apartment? Okay,
I live
Vieteng.
in a house. I live in a house.
You live in a house. Okay, so a house or apartment. So Vieteng, what is the difference between a house and an apartment?
The house is small or the apartment is very big.
Yes. So the house is only one, while the apartment it's only in one building, but it has a lot of rooms. Okay.
Yes.
Now, which room do you like most in your house and why?
It's the living room.
Why?
Because in living room have TV. I can listening or I can watching TV there.
Okay. So So you like watching and listening to the television. Okay, so these are some parts of the house. Okay, can you tell me the parts of the house, Bethany?
In the hall has many rooms.
This one on the picture.
Bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and living room.
Yes, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and living room. Okay, next one, Bethany. Is there anything about your house that you would like to change?
Yes,
What?
it's very comfortable and convenient.
So you don't have to change anything. You don't want to change the color of the paint.
Yes.
It's okay. Everything's okay.
Yeah.
All right. Very good. Next one, Vicky. Tell me something else about your house. Okay, Vicky, can you describe your house? Can you describe your house?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. So is your house big?
It have many rooms.
It has many rooms. Okay, very good. So now, let's practice to describe your house. Okay, so now, Bete, let's answer this one. Firstly, read the example. The practice talking about your house. 7 to 10 sentences. Okay, now let's have vocabulary first. Bete.
Yes.
All right, can you read it first? Tell me if you're finished writing.
Yes.
Finish writing.
1 minute. Yes, I finished.
Okay, so let's read the following vocabulary words, Betty.
Yes. Sorry. Spacious. Scenic. Engine. Ceiling. Chandelier. Spotlight. Palace. Balcony.
Okay. Now, all right. Now this is some example of this. Okay, this is an example. Oh wait, where is it? now, Vietnam, this is an example of the description of a house. Okay, can you read it, Vietnam, please?
The house is currently live with my family. It's the two-story house located far away from the city crowds and busy. My spacious home has one scenic living room, 3 bedrooms, a reading book, and one dining room attached to a cozy kitchen. The entrance of the house has many different trees and flowers. On the wall of the living room, there are some pictures about natural life, and on the ceiling is the listening challenger. Next is the kitchen connecting with dining room. In the kitchen, there are refrigerator, an electric stove and sink. In the middle of dining room, a spotless woody table. On the second floor is 3 bedrooms adjacent to each other. Beside of my room is reading room with many books. And the best thing about this house is balcony with a lovely view from here. Personally, I ought to love with my family. Sometimes I invite my friends and relatives to have party at our home. I think eating, drinking, and talking with people. I love in night and warm house. The best wonder thing in life.
Okay, so now, Vietnam, now that is an example of how to describe your house, okay? So, Vietnam, can you describe your house, even a short description only, please? Can you describe your house like that? Even short only, not that long. Even a short only. My house is...
My house has a 12 room.
What else? What do you like doing in your house?
4 bedroom. 4 bedroom. 2 living room. 4 toilet and floor and balcony.
Okay, and then?
In the living room, there are some picture and TV and a sofa. In the every bedroom have a bedroom, table and a chair and window.
How about in your bedroom?
My bedroom had a flower, table and chair, but in balcony has flower, mango trees and many and rose flower.
Okay, very good. So, do you have a swimming pool in your house?
No.
No, okay. How about a garden? Do you have a garden?
What?
Do you have a garden in your house? Garden.
I don't understand. Can you write?
Okay.
Oh, my house don't have garden.
You don't have garden. Okay. Well, anyway, your house is very big because you got a lot of rooms in your house. Okay.
Yes.
Now, last one, Vietnam. Explain your dream house.
My dream house will on the ocean.
Oh,
Uh,
what do you have in your dream house?
my dream house has many animals.
Many animals near the
They are
ocean.
very cute
Oh, okay.
and have a robot, vacuum robot, cooker robot, and I can use robot to touching.
Mhm.
Surfing
Okay,
and
surfing.
many verb.
Oh, so you like
Many,
your house to be located near the ocean.
yes,
Wow, because you're a good swimmer, right? That's why you like living near the ocean.
yes,
Okay, that's nice. Me, I like living in a farm, in a field, because it's fresh, like in the ocean, right?
yes,
Okay, very good. Okay, so now, Vietnam, we are finished now with our lesson for tonight, okay?
yes.
All right, so see you again, Vietnam, on Tuesday.
Yeah, see you again.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Good
Good
night.
night. Good night.
Good night.